Hey there, you beautiful human. My name is Zehra. I'm the creator and CEO of Stay Inspired with Yourself. So I've been working with Emmanuel E for like 2-3 months, and it has been an outstanding experience because the thing that I love most about E is that he never says something is not impossible. And with me, I always like to change things and add things and make things better. And I'm like, can we do this? Is that possible? Can we do that? Can we make that happen? And he's like, let's try it. Let's do it. It's never just like, oh, no, it's impossible. We can't do it. I don't want to try it. He's always willing to try to accommodate you and your desires and your wishes. And that's what I love most about him. And thank you, Emmanuel, for always going out of your way to make sure that I'm happy and that the website is looking good and for always accommodating all of my wishes and desires. Thank you so much. And inshallah, we work together long time. Mwah.